Glue dries your fur. Glue has no business on natural fibers. So this is before. We're gonna take all this glue out and we're gonna reinforce it, fix it with leather. So this is before. We're gonna show you how it should have been fixed. This is the original glued piece. So I took the glue out, but I found out that the glue, it destroyed the whole pelt. So this is how they destroy it. So I have to put a new piece. When we put the new piece and sew it together, this tape goes right at the edge. This natural cotton tape will protect this side of the coat so it doesn't rip. Plus, you're gonna see the leather we put on top. The cotton tape we talk about, we put it on. So this is the new piece we put in.
If we're replacing the skins, why do we have to add the leather?
Because we have to go even beyond this cotton tape so to protect it more.
The other damaged areas that were glued.
Right. And look at the perfect match, everybody. See the new pelt we put in, the cotton tape. Leather sewing, leather gives, it will never dry your fur.